Everyone is making these viral AI cinema videos, but almost nobody is telling you how they're actually made. After spending days testing, regenerating, fixing broken prompts, and training my own Claude AI workflow, I finally figured it out. Today I'll show you exactly how I create these videos, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to make your own with any idea you want. So here's the workflow. I spent a lot of time training a dedicated Claude AI chat. I kept testing prompts, asking follow-up questions, editing results, regenerating bad outputs, and slowly improving everything until I finally got a workflow that consistently produces realistic results. Now the best part is, you don't have to do any of that. I've already done the hard work for you. Just download my PDF from the link in the description. Open Claude AI, copy and paste the master prompt from the PDF, and Claude will ask what kind of scene you want to create. You can type your own idea, or even ask Claude to suggest a viral one for you. Within seconds, it'll generate two things. First, a GPT Image 2 prompt to create the base image. Second, a complete Seedance 2 prompt to animate that image into a realistic 4DX style video. That's literally the entire workflow. Now let me show you by creating one from scratch. Let's make a tsunami scene where a giant wave swallows an entire city. First, copy the GPT Image 2 prompt. You can use any AI image generator that supports GPT Image 2. I'm using InVideo. Simply paste the prompt, select the GPT Image 2 model, choose your settings, and generate the image. If you want to customize the theater, you can even edit the text inside the prompt. For example, I changed 4DX screen and replaced the right side logo with my own channel name, Avoxy. After a few moments, the image is ready. And honestly, it looks amazing. Download the image. Now let's animate it. I'm using Higgsfield because I currently have access to the Seedance 2 model. Open the video section, select Seedance 2, upload the image you just created, then go back to Claude and copy the Seedance 2 prompt. Paste it here. Select Seedance 2, set the duration to 15 seconds. Aspect ratio 16:9. Resolution 720p. Then simply click Generate. And just look at this. The result looks incredible. The water actually bursts out of the cinema screen. People get soaked, and at first glance it honestly looks like real footage. I'd easily say it looks around 80% realistic, and most people scrolling through social media won't even realize it's AI. The best part is that this isn't limited to one scene. I now have prompts for sharks, dragons, avalanches, tsunamis, volcanoes, dinosaurs, and basically any idea I can think of. And now you can create them too. Just grab the PDF from the description, start creating, and let me know which scene you're making first. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.